I like to use my own photographs for a couple of reasons. First of all, when you paint images from other people's photos, there are copyright issues to be considered, and we don't want to break any laws. I also find that my paintings are better when I'm painting a scene that I know and love and have special memories or feelings about. My emotions go into my scene. And I love creating a fresh scene by painting it shortly after seeing it live. I feel like I can better capture the mood of the scene and rely a little less on my photos. Do try to get in the habit of taking your own reference photos. Even if they're not great at first, you'll get better with practice and they'll really make your paintings come alive. When working with a reference photo, choosing which one you want to use is a matter of narrowing down your favorites by spending some time working with them. And we'll focus on a couple throughout the beginning phase of our studies. Here I have several mountain scenes taken on a recent trip into the mountains. I'm looking for a couple of different factors to help me choose my image. I'm looking for something that I think would be interesting to paint, and of course that's personal preference. I'm looking for something that I think might be fun to paint, and maybe something that has options for variations so I can change it up a little bit. And of course, I want my painting to have wow factor, so choosing a photo that has a little bit of that will help me along. I like this image right here. It feels like it would be easy to paint. I really like the contrast between soft green grass and the solid red rock. And of course, that red rock seems to me to be a real obvious focal point. In this reference photo, I love that it has this classic mountain panorama. There's that beautiful valley spreading toward those crisp mountains in the background. I've got a river, I've got trees and shrubs, different beautiful green grass in the foreground. There's a lot of interesting areas here to paint and view. However, I am a little concerned that with so many differing elements, it could be a challenge to fit everything together. So I want to take a few minutes and sketch these photos. This will help me decide how to paint them and what I might need to edit out.